Ang problema niyo po sa ganong klase po ng insertion ay hindi kayo preparado, wala kayong kaalam-alam, at hindi ho napag-aralan yung proposed project. Gano'n ho ba yun, Secretary, to be straightforward about this?
Well, yes, to be straightforward about it, this is our new project that for the first time that we would have known it na kasama pala sa budget namin.
Okay. Kasi po yung proposed budget po ninyo nito pong 2025, sa original po na version, 825 billion lang ang halaga. Sa kabuuan po, ano? Opo, naging 1.113 trillion kasi nadagdagan ng 288.6 billion pesos. Do you confirm that?
Well, I think there's a little adjustment that I would like to make. Actually, the National Expenditure Program level that was given to us actually for 2025 was actually at 900 billion. No?
Okay.
But nung pumunta po sa HGAB, yung House Appropriations Bill, nabawasan na po ito. I think it went down to 875 or 800 something. Hindi na po yung level namin ng 900 billion. So that is that was the one that was forwarded to the Senate. And then after the General Appropriations Act, ang nangyari po ay nadagdagan po ng yung budget namin with the total making 1.08 trillion pesos.